Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on the Lil'X YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing, is it the right time to buy a gaming handheld like this Legion Go that I have here, which is pretty much a Windows computer in itself. It runs full Windows 11. It is equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a AMD Z1 Extreme processor. Now, we are aware that the second generation of this is already in development and is going to come out soon. I mean, they had the prototype at CES, but nevertheless, this is still a great device. Now, in the horizon, we also have the Nintendo Switch 2 coming out, which is rumored to be, more powerful, have more features, as we saw in the little trailer that Nintendo showed us. As you can see, this is running a older processor. It can barely run some of the games. I know there's been controversies, like one of the Pokemon games that literally stuttered like crazy on the Nintendo Switch, and that's a big IP. You would think that somebody as big as the developers of Pokemon would make their game run better, but that's not really their fault. That's Nintendo's fault for putting such an older chip in the Switch, even though at the time the chip had already came out for a couple years. But anyways, let me not deviate too much from the topic of this video. Now, I've been having this device for, I would say, almost a year. I don't remember exactly. I did do an unboxing video, which I'll link somewhere below. And I've been technically almost been using this every single day. I mostly play Call of Duty on it, but I also have Fortnite and, of course, Grand Theft Auto 5. Even still, Titanfall 2. Which, believe it or not, this runs great. I'll have a video here, or I'll play a video of it running. And as you can see in the video, it runs it pretty well. Now, it's not perfect by any means, and that's partly due to me not optimizing the settings to be the best for it to run. But nevertheless, it runs it. And as you can see with the gameplay, it just plays. Like, it's super smooth. I never struggle really to run much. Like I said, I can run Call of Duty Black Ops 6 with no issues. Now, is it the best optimum quality, like the best detail? Of course not. It's a portable system. This is not comparable to a full-fledged PC. Now, I know people who have external GPUs, but if you're gonna do that, just go ahead and build a PC. This is portable. You can take this anywhere and play. I actually have a portable power bank that I use it with it to extend the battery, because the battery is not great, especially if you run AAA titles or big games. Now, another game, like I mentioned, that I do play on here is Grand Theft Auto 5. And I recently started it over since I wanted to go through the whole story, especially with GTA 6 coming out. I wanted to, take a refresh since I hadn't played it for a minute. So, as you can see here, it runs smooth. You can see the settings that I have for it, and for some reason the menu is kind of blurry. I don't know why. I still really haven't played with the settings. As you can see, this is just the beginning mission. But I will tweak the settings and hopefully make it run better. But the fact that this can run Grand Theft Auto 5, which, I mean, I know it's an older game. It came out in 2013. But never did I expect it that I was going to be able to play that on a portable handheld. I can play this on the plane. Grand Theft Auto 5 on the plane, at the airport, on an Uber, outside. Just if I want to lay down on my bed, I can just take this, lay down, and play. That is the convenience of having a portable handheld. Like, it is not to have the most powerful hardware, which I know, there's a lot of competitors, like I said. We have some like we have the OG, the Steam Deck, which is still great, still awesome, especially the OLED version. Man, that thing kicks ass. Now, we also have, the Asus RG Ally. We have more competitors that are, coming up. We have more and more, and there's rumors that even Microsoft is going to come out with their own. Going back to the original question, it's now a good time to buy a portable handheld. Like I said, we have this one, we have the refresh of this one coming soon, we have newer coming up, and we even have, things from gaming tablets to gaming. Of course, we have the gaming laptops. Now, that's a little bit bigger, but if you ask me, I think right now is the best time to buy a gaming handheld. Now, these things have been in the market for quite a while. They've been, experimented on. They see what people like. They see what people don't like. Now, if you were to buy one now, I would say, if you wanted to go with the Legion Go, I would say try to find a used one for cheap. I know a lot of people are getting rid of them since the Legion Go 2 is coming out. Of course, try to catch it on sale. Best Buy has them on sale all the time. Or go on Facebook Marketplace or whatever marketplace that you have in your country. Or eBay too. Just make sure that, you know, it works and that it's functional. I haven't ran into any issues. I've actually opened the back up to see how much dust it had. And surprisingly, it didn't really have that much. And I was shocked because I was expecting a lot more. Especially if you have pets around the house. But like I said, if you're going to pick up the Legion Go, try to find a good deal. I got mine on Best Buy for, I believe, $50 off whenever I got it. So I feel like that was not the best deal, but still, it was still pretty much new. And I've been enjoying it ever since. Like I said, downsides, of course, the battery is not going to last as long. No matter, you can optimize it. Run games at a lower quality and stuff like that. But in my opinion, if you want to enjoy it to the fullest, you know, you're going to sacrifice battery life. That to me is the biggest downsides, and I really don't mind it. Like I said, I mostly play, you know, plugged in when I'm like on the couch laying down or on my portable power bank when I'm on the move. And the fact that I can take these games with me is amazing. Whether I play them at work or if I have to go do an errand, let's say I have to wait for an oil change or something like that, or some service in the car or whatever, I can take this and not be bored versus just doom scrolling on your phone. You can actually have fun. So if you ask me, right now it's a great time to buy a gaming handheld, especially since, like I said, people have been having them for a while. You can see how what they last and stuff like that. And I'm sorry if you came here for more performance metrics. Let's say, you know, me testing different games, giving you like results and numbers. A lot of channels have done that already. This is me just answering a question of this video. Is right now a good time? And I would say yes, go pick you one up, enjoy it. And if you get one like this one, you can actually detach the controller, and it has a mouse functionality. But like I said, I played with that in the unboxing of the video. And yeah, right now it's a perfect time. These things are amazing. If you want to wait for the Switch 2, that's also a good thing. Of course, if you play more of the Nintendo first party titles, definitely wait for the Switch 2. If not, go ahead and pick one of these up. It's amazing. You can play pretty much any game. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. If you want to, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Peace out.